The installation process is fairly universal across most makes and models. The installation videos on our YouTube channel may not match your make and model, but the majority of these installation videos will be helpful to you regardless. You can also download installation instruction guides from our website at rufftuff.com/installation. If you run into an issue that is not covered by our instructions or videos, please give us a call during normal business hours or send us an email. The time and effort required to install Ruff Tuff seat covers varies by seat and vehicle, and our precise fit may require some patience. We send installation instructions and a helpful tool with each seat cover we ship, and we're happy to answer questions that arise while you're installing them. Our seat covers are designed to be installed without disconnecting wiring, and most are designed for installation without removing the seats. Some rear seats may need to be removed for seat cover installation. We suggest laying out all the pieces, one row at a time, perhaps on the seats themselves, to get an initial sense of where they go. Where two pieces are similar enough that they could be confused, we label the pieces. If anything is unclear or just doesn't fit, please call or email us. We'll be happy to help. Our YouTube channel has a growing collection of videos to help with installation. If you don't see a vehicle for your specific year, make, and model, another video will likely be helpful. Please call or email us for help if you have any installation questions. Ruff Tuff installs seat covers for an additional fee at our factory in West Valley City, Utah. Many of our resellers provide the same service at their locations.